Hey guys, today we're making a type of bread croissant. In a bowl, mix together your milk, sugar, yeast, vanilla, melted butter and egg, whisk lightly, and then gradually add in your flour. When it becomes too difficult to use the whisk, you can swap over to a spoon or to a spatula. And when you can no longer mix in any more of the liquid using that, you can swap over to your hands. Mix everything till it comes together and then transfer to a floured surface and just knead lightly for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then transfer that dough into an oiled bowl and cover with some cling wrap. Allow to proof for 2 hours in a warm place. When the 2 hours is up, remove the dough from the bowl and pat it out into a rough circle. Then just divide that circle into 8 pieces and then roll each piece into a ball. Then using some additional flour, you're going to roll each piece into a tortilla-sized round. Then using some additional melted butter, you're going to sandwich each layer together like so. Then you're going to roll this out into a rough rectangular shape, and then using some more melted butter, spread it out and roll this into, or fold it into thirds, remembering to butter each layer as you go along. Then roll out this final piece of dough into a smaller rectangular shape, and then divide your sections and use a pizza cutter to cut out triangular shapes. Then I use milk chocolate, but you could use anything, including jam, and just place it on the wide end of the triangle and roll it out, and then place that onto a greased baking tray. Allow this to proof in a warm place again for another hour, then brush the top with some egg yolk and bake in an oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or till the tops are golden brown. Allow it to cool slightly and serve immediately. I served mine with some Nutella because that's what my daughter likes, but you could also use a ganache or jam or butter or even a chocolate sauce. Enjoy!